Hi, Nutrition 430. Welcome to week 3. Um, I just want to make sure that everybody is staying on top of things this week. You have a lot due a little bit later this week. So, by today, you should have done all your reading for chapter 1, 7, and 8. The lectures you should have watched by tomorrow, and then homework number 1 and discussion number 1, 2 posts are due by the 10th. So I would encourage you each to make sure that you're posting before the 10th for the first time. So then we can make sure that you're posting twice and responding to a classmate's post by the 10th. So that is what's going on this week, just the summation of all the work you've been doing. So just as a reminder, if you go into the weekly unit work, the lectures are in this folder here. Homework 1, you'll upload right here. Discussion 1, you will work on right here, and then this study guide is for your use to get ready for your exam 1, which will be held towards the middle of the semester. And then just as a reminder as well, under lectures, you have my PowerPoint lectures that are on chapters 7 and 8, just really brief overviews so I can show you exactly what I want you to be focusing on for those 2 chapters. And then you have, a review of cell function and cell metabolism under here as well. Things are going to get a little bit more complicated starting next week in carbohydrates. We have a few weeks to cover carbohydrates, and it's a really in-depth, tough chapter that is going to go above and beyond what you've learned about carbs before. So I'm really looking forward to reading all your stuff, getting your first assignments, and then diving deep right into carbohydrates when we meet up next week. So go ahead and make sure that you are in your Blackboard, completing the work, the discussions, the assignments, and as always, feel free to get in touch if you have any questions or concerns. Look forward to reading all your papers and your discussions, and have a great week, everyone.